In this video, we are going to cook chicken adobo with fried tofu. Ingredients are listed on the description down below. Part 1 is we need to prepare oil in the frying pan on high heat. And we will deep fry all the sliced tofu until it is golden brown. We can flip the other side and wait until it becomes golden brown too. We will add this fried tofu later. Part 2 is we will saute the garlic first. And then the onion, ginger, and laurel leaves. Add the chicken. Add soy sauce and vinegar. Then we will let this cook for 10 minutes. Now, we are going to add the salted black beans. Add ground black pepper and add 4 cups of water. You can add more water and cook longer if you want to make it more softer. Then we will cook for another 10 minutes. Now, let us add the fried tofu that we fried earlier. And we will let this cook for another 10 minutes. And the final step, we will add sugar and cook for another 5 minutes. It is now ready to be served. You can add chopped wansoy for additional flavor. These are the complete ingredients that we are going to need. We need 2 pieces of tofu, sliced onion, garlic, ginger, laurel leaves, salted black beans but we are not going to include the liquid, vinegar, soy sauce, cooking oil, and ground black pepper. We are also going to need wansoy for additional flavor, and you can commonly see this on any Chinese dishes. And finally, we need chopped 1 whole chicken. And don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Thank you!